Assalamu alaikum warahmatullah. Good morning, my dear students and parents. I hope you are all okay and healthy and you enjoyed your holiday, right? What did you do in your holiday? Can you guess that? Can I guess that? I guess you watch TV, right? What else? You just stayed with your mom and dad a little bit, uh, spoke with them, right? Play uh, with your brothers and sisters, and so on. I guess you enjoyed by any ways that you have. Okay? About me also, I enjoyed. Yes, I enjoyed. I played and with my brothers and sisters and so on. Okay. Um, Today is a new day in this week, and it is a new lesson. It is a new environment, a new place. We will learn it this week. Okay? Last week we spoke about bond, right? Do you remember? Bond. And also we learned a lot of animals and plants in a bond, right? Do you remember how many plants do we have in the bond? I asked you this in the quiz, right? How many are they? I guess. And I'm sure they are 7. Yes. Can you count it with me? Huh? I'm waiting for you. Huh? The first one is water lilies, right? Water lotus, water lettuce, water hyacinths. All are the water plants. Also, we learned cattails, right? What about the other two? We have mosses and we have algae. Those are 7 plants. What about animals? I don't know how many are they. Just let us count it together. Huh? How many we have from animals? Animals. We have duck. Yes, we have duck. We have snail. We have snail, duck, koi. It is a kind of fish, right? Um, Dragonfly and frog. And the babies of the what? Dragonfly and frog. And also they gave us the name of the baby of the frog, which is tadpole. Tadpole. So those are the living things that we find it in the bond. Today we will learn a new environment, interesting one, and we hope all of us go to that environment to enjoy, which is beach. All of you say with me, beach. Huh? Again, beach. 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 What does it mean, beach? Do you hear this word before? It is a place for enjoying. For us, it is a place for enjoying. It is the place that beside or near to the sea. SEA, the sea, right? And it has a yellow ground. Yes, which is what does it what is the name of that place or that ground? It is covered by sand. All of you said me sand. Yes. It is a yellow ground. So this is the beach. So beach also has what? Living things, plants and animals. Let us see what are they. But before that, can you guess that? What can you find in the beach? In that yellow place? I guess beach we can find it in Bor Sudan. Yes, Bor Sudan there is a beach there. I didn't go there, but ask anyone went there and ask him about the animals or plant. Can you find it beside the sea? But also our book gives us examples of living things. We can't find it there. Okay, so all of you open your textbook, page 17. I have it here. Let us see. Page 17. Okay. Okay, I will be up here. Yep, I'm up. Okay. What do you see in this picture? Yes, we have this girl. I don't know her name. Maybe you know her name. This is what she is beside the sea. So this is the sea. This blue water body. Yes, it is a big place that has water, and it is salty water. This water or the water of the sea is salty or has salt. Salt. How can I say that? Salt. Okay. What do you see in this picture? We can say that long trees. Where is it? Can you point it to me? Can you? I will point it before you. I will point it before you. This place. Good job. So this a kind of what? Of a tree called coconut tree. All of you say with me, coconut tree. Coconut tree. So this is the name. This is the name of. This is the name of that. This is the name of that. This is the name for that tree. What else? What can you see in this picture? We have another kind of plant. So I will point it to you before you. Where is it? Okay. This one. Good job. So we have two kinds of what? Of plants. So this one called seaweed. This one called seaweed. All of you say with me, seaweed. Seaweed. So in this page, they give us just examples or information about those plants. I will read it for you. I'll start from the title. What can we find on a beach? Look at the beach. What plants can we find? Yes, we pointed before, right? So let's start by the first one. Coconut trees often grow on the seashore. All of you say with me, seashore. Seashore. So seashore, seashore, it is another name of the beach. So if anyone asks you or said that to you, where is the seashore? That means he wants to ask you about the beach. So beach and seashore are the same. Let us continue. They grow well in sandy soil under plenty of sunlight. They grow well in sandy. Sandy comes from the word sand. So they said that they grow on the snow, on the soil that has what? That has sand. So look at the sand. It is a yellow ground. Yes, it is pointed to you. This yellow plant or this yellow ground. Sorry. So this is what? The sand. So the coconut tree grow in what? in sandy soil under plenty of sunlight. Plenty means a lot of more of sunlight. That means coconut trees need what? Sandy soil and plenty of sunlight, a lot of sunlight, or a hot place. Okay, this is the what? The coconut tree. Let's move to the other plant. Seaweeds grow in shallow seawater or rocky shores. Let us read it again. Seaweeds grow in shallow. Shallow is the opposite of deep. So we can find seaweeds or this kind of plant. We can find it where? We can find it up. Yes, up the sea. Not on, but also not deep. If you just, I guess, if you just enter the sea, you can find it just beside your legs. So that means it is near you. It's not deep down. Okay? And also they said that on rocky shores. Rocky comes from rock, which means the beach that has a lot of rocks. So that shores or these shores or these kind of beaches, their ground are what? Are rock, not soil or not sand. Okay. Rita, her name is Rita. Rita is asking, there seem to be fewer types of plants here than in the garden. Why? If you remember, in the garden we find, or yes, we can find a lot of kinds of plants, but here we have only two kinds. Why? She asked this. Can you guess that why? I guess the book gives us just the answer down. Let us read it. Plants on the beach have to cope with the salty sea water, waves, and the wind. Not many plants can survive here. Let us read it again for you. Plants on the beach, they mean, I guess, coconut trees and seaweeds, have to cope. Cope means to adapt or to deal, okay, with the salty sea water. The water of the sea, I told you, that has salt, okay. So plant can't deal with the salt except few kinds of plants, okay. Waves, the movement of the what? Of the water. And wind. Wind, it is a what? A moving air or a speedy air, okay. Not many plants can survive. Do you remember what does it mean survive? To do not die. Okay, let us see an example for a plant, a normal plant, and we can guess that or imagine that. Let it grow here in the beach. I mean, let us see rose. Rose is a flower. So if we put it here, it can't deal with the salty water. It will die immediately. Also the sandy ground or the sandy soil, because sand can't hold the water for a long time. There is no water in the sand. It will never stay. It will dry immediately. Also the beach is what is hot place. So few plants can survive in this situation. Okay, so those are two plants, kind of plants we find it in the beach. Okay, after few minutes or after you get this video, we will continue learning more about beach and the animal that we find it in the beach. So see you after a few minutes. Bye.